Hey guys, so you will be learning how to make a bookmark. Yeah, just a bookmark. So the materials you need is some scissors, a pencil, a piece of paper, wow, whatever this is, I don't know the name, a pack of yarn, and some stickers. Just use any stickers you have.
Sarah.
Like, yeah. So, first.
Sarah. Come here.
So, first, take the piece of paper and cut a hole.
Mas sa mga katong candy mo, araw-araw ka na nila.
Like this.
No. Dapat twice a month lang yun.
Okay, and then cut it to just the right size. And I cut mine to a little bit small. Like this. And then get a little piece of yarn. Get a little piece of yarn. And then you put it in the hole. Yeah, and then you tie it. You tie it. You tie it like this. Just like one or two.
Maganda na magsulat kay Celia. In fairness.
Yeah, and then you start designing your bookmark. Also put some stickers if you like. Okay, I'm gonna surprise you with my. Wait, guys,
Tapos
okay?
na natin itong babying to. You're so cute, Sarah. No? You are. Yes, you are. Para saan kaya ito? Hindi ko alam
I
kung
can see. Pasara ko. Saan galing to?
Dito na natin ilagay.
Saan galing to?
Parang dito yata sa Lazada ko. Para hindi silipin.
Sila kasi ang mag-isang bukala.
Ha?
Siya yung mag-isang bukala.
Kaya nga. Naku, hindi lalo na next year. Next year is...
Ano naman
Ganyan na
ito?
din. Ganyan na din kalaki dahil ang daming dala. Sarah, pag ikaw grade 1 na, bibilan din kita ng big bag. Ano? Big bag. Ha? Hindi, yung kasama si ate yung stroller. Gusto mo na gano'n? Mabigat. Ayan, stroller. Hindi yan. At patingin ka ng bag mo. I will check what you do. Anong ginawa niyo ni Teacher Mara?
Hindi.
Ano hindi? Anong ginawa niyo? Insert the t-shirt. I know someday.
Nag-water. Water and
Ano?
water.
Ano pa yung big ate here?
I want water.
Wala?
Water, please.
Lego.
Ako lang po yung...
Give me some water, mommy.
Ayun po sa go.
Water, water, water. Some water, please.
You want to just take ko lang?
Water. Give me water.
Oh. Can you do that? Uy, kanina yan, Sarah? Ang iinom mo?
Si Daddy yan.
Yan, ito. Hindi ko marunong ka na kumuha. Oh, go. Lagay. Kaso, landaan na. Dapat marunong ka na. Go.
Cannot.
Dalawang kamay. Ganito, di ba? O, tapos yan mo. Oh.
Like that?
Tapos pag gulaman, galing-galing mong kumuha.
And guys, I am done making my bookmark. Here's the results. Yeah, you can draw anything you want with your bookmark. So, bye guys. That's all for today. Sorry for the long wait. Bye.